Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Truecaller app on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, download and open the Truecaller app from the App Store. Log in using your phone number and verify it with the code sent to you. Once you are logged in, Truecaller will ask for permissions like access to contacts and notifications. Allow these two so the app can work properly. Now let's talk about the main feature. When you receive a call from an unknown number, Truecaller automatically shows the caller's name if it's available in database. This helps you decide whether to answer or ignore the call. To search for number, open the app and tap on search icon. Enter the phone number, then tap search to see the name or details linked to it. To block spam calls, tap on the profile at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on blocking and turn on spam protection. You can also manually block specific numbers from the menu. You can also edit your profile by tapping on a profile picture and choosing edit profile to update your name or photo. And that's it. That's how you use Truecaller on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.